Loyalties, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a Christmas DIY for you. It's very simple, quick, and easy to recreate. Actually, it's going to be two little quick projects that I'm going to share with you. So we're going to take this little reindeer stake that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to kind of get the head of the reindeer and the bow of the reindeer off of this stake, and I'm going to do that by bending it backwards and forwards until it pops off. And I have some wire cutters as well to kind of help me get any difficult pieces that just don't want to budge to pop off, and I would just use a little bit of the wire cutters to get to those difficult areas. But if you just continuously keep going backwards and forwards with this, it will pop off. And so with the bow, it just takes a little bit of time and a little bit of elbow strength. Okay, so DIY number 2, you guys, is really simple, really easy. We're going to take these round mirrors from the Dollar Tree and these beautiful acrylic reindeer ornaments from Hobby Lobby, you guys. They were $3.99. Got them on sale for 40% off. Great deal. I got a few of them, and so I'm gonna do a few DIYs with them. But right now we're just gonna glue this beautiful little acrylic reindeer down onto the mirrors to make some really pretty just tabletop reindeer decor pieces. And that's gonna be it for this complete DIY number 2. So let me show you guys what all of the DIYs look like, and you guys let me know in the comment section below if you like them. If you do, give them a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed and was inspired by these wonderful, simple, and easy Christmas DIYs. If so, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love, peace, and blessings. Bye bye.